hope you have watched the previous video on this. If not, then watch it now in the I button. So let me tell you about this. This brush is slightly curved and more fluffy than usual brush. Basically, this is eyeshadow packing brush, which is in number E103. Eyeshadow packing brush is used to apply pigments, shadows, and shimmers directly onto lids. Now the question is how to use this brush. It's very easy to use this brush. Just dab it on your eyelids just to pack your shimmer on your eyeshadow. Do you know the pro trick to hold the brush like professional makeup artist? Use it in dabbing or patting motion. Don't rub it. It has a flat surface, so just use it in dabbing motion. Don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to my channel. I will make a separate video on how and where to use these brushes, so don't worry. Okay, let me tell you about this brush. I know we have two same brushes, so let me clear it once. One is thick and the other one is thin. Same brushes but different use. This one is for packing the eyeshadow on eyelid. This is a cream brush. And the use of this cream brush is to make a cut crease line, applying concealer on your eyelid, concealer on under eye, applying cream blush, primer, and so on. Cream brush, which is in number L101. Bristles are so soft. Don't forget to like this video. If there is any query, ask me in the comment section. Okay, let's see the work of this brush. As you can see, it has angled tip. The lengths of these brushes are good. So this is an angled liner brush, which is in number E104. Use this brush to shape your eyebrows as well as making wing eyeliner. At last, let me tell you about this brush. This is a big fluffy brush, as you can see in the video. Bristles are so soft. Nice quality. This is a powder brush, which is in number F102. This brush is for setting your under eyes with powder and applying powder blush. For any query, read description. I will mention more information about brushes. Thank you for watching my videos. Go and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Drop your review in the comment section. These are very affordable makeup brushes. You can use these brushes as a self-makeup artist, beginner's makeup artist, and professional makeup artist. Comment if you want more such videos. Don't forget to like this video.